Hey guys, it's Raj from MyKetoCoach.com, and today I'm going to talk about this keto macro calculator and even keto diet plan builder. A lot of people have been using it to make their macros right for their weight loss goals. So I think the biggest challenge people have is when they're starting a keto diet or thinking about it, what should my macros be to hit my goals and what should I be looking for? So this tool here is really unique. This is my review page on my site, so you can go check it out. I go into a deep review. But the biggest difference with this is that this macro tool, keto macro tool, will ask you what your current weight is, what your goal weight is, even what your food preferences are. Because one of the biggest challenges I find with people starting keto is even if they know what their macros are, they don't know how to build a plan to match those macros. This tool here will build one for you. So let me walk through it because that's what this video is about. It's a walkthrough of the keto macro calculator, and let's get into it. So you would go to my page, you would click here, start macro calculator, and we'll go here. So now we're in the macro calculator. So you choose your gender first step, male or female. So we'll just pretend we're doing this for me. So male. Activity level. So this is how active are you during the day, during the week. Now, I would not choose very active or extremely active. I've used this tool with many clients, and I find these are over-indexed in this tool. So myself, I work out 5 to 6 times a week, so I would select average activity. Anybody that's 3 to 4 times a week, I would use somewhat active, and anything 3 or less, I would use couch potato. I know these. That's what I would select from testing it so many times. Do not select these. You just won't get the right. You won't get the right macro calculation because this over-indexes the working out part. And I think a lot of us think we're working out extremely active, but meanwhile you might be going to the gym a lot, but you actually might not be doing the output that this tool thinks you are doing. So it's in your best interest to pick something a little more in that range. Next, you select the meat that you want. So this is what's great about this tool because it also includes your food preferences. Now, if you are vegetarian, there is a no meat option. So I like chicken, pork, beef, pasta fish. I'll do bacon. Hit next, and now you select your veggies. Veggies are important. So I'm going to select broccoli, mushroom, zucchini, and asparagus. Hit next. So this tool is super simple. The other thing too is now these foods you're selecting are not going to limit the foods that are in your diet plan, but it's going to focus on them because it's what you like to eat. Now you can also select for the other foods. There's eggs, nuts. I like butter and cheese. And now we're at the measurements part. So this is the part that's personally based on you as well, on your body type. So you can select metric measurements or imperial. So I do imperial. So age, I'm 44. I'll just put in some numbers here, 5'5". You enter your current weight. So I'll just put in a number, I'll put in 185. I'll put in a target weight, maybe 155. And then I'll hit continue. And now it's going to create this breakdown, your macro breakdowns based on all that information you put in. So this is awesome because it's easy to read. So here it tells you it's 2,100 calories to 2,200 calories a day, around 160 to 180 grams of fat. Daily protein is 120 to 140 grams, 30 to 40 grams of carbs. And these carbs are obviously non-starchy carbs from greens and things like that. Another unique thing is this includes a daily water intake. So a lot of people ask me how much water should I be drinking in a day. This tool is saying 3.6 liters a day. BMI, I would forget about this measurement because I think it's not accurate, to be honest, because if you're shorter and have a lot of muscle, it'll say that you're obese even though you're not. So I would discount this reading. This here, activity level, I selected moderate. So this is really cool because it tells you what's achievable in 30 days based off this plan, off these macros. So it tells you the achievable weight. So this way you can kind of judge how long it's going to take you to hit your goal. Now the great thing is, like I mentioned before, you have these macros, but if you want a diet plan made to these macros, you can go do it yourself. This part's all free. But if you want a plan made to these macros to the foods that you selected, you can go right here, click here for your diet plan, and it'll create you a 60-day personal keto diet plan made to those macros. It's super awesome. So if you click this, it'll just scroll to the bottom. There's some before and after stories here you can read about. But some of the cool things is that it's also editable. So not and you can go in and edit things, not edible like you can eat it, but it's funny. So go in here, you can, in the tool, you can change foods and it automatically recalculate everything for you. Another great thing is a fast food guide. So if you're out on the go, if you're vacationing and for some reason you have to have food that's on the go at a restaurant or a fast food restaurant, you can pull this up on your phone and I'll tell you all the keto friendly options at that location. So it's pretty cool. Intermittent fasting, a lot of us are doing intermittent fasting now, and I think this is super awesome, and this easily enables that in there. You can select it and it'll recalculate a few things for you. So it's a great tool. If you want to get the diet plan, you can just press here, get it now, and you would just enter your email, your name, so Raj, and then email. You can enter your email in, and then hit get your custom keto diet plan, and it'll take you to the next page. So you can download your plan and get access to everything. It is regularly $97, but it's $37 on sale. I don't know how long it's going to be on sale for, but definitely I would recommend getting it. It is a one-time payment. There's no hidden fees, no subscription, but you get lifetime access to your plan. So I think it's super cool. There's support in there as well. This is a great tool these guys have built, and I highly recommend it. If you have any questions, let me know. You can message me at myketocoach.com, or if they're watching this on YouTube, comment below. I'd love to help. But if you want to make keto simple, try this tool out. Take care, guys.